Hello friends, I am your friend as well as your host. My name is Rishabh Rajesh, and today in this video we are going to rock, not the yo-yo rock kind of thing, because we are going to review the Volkswagen T-Roc. So you must be wondering that in this lockdown, how can we go to review a car, especially while staying in Mumbai, where there is a red zone all around the place. So how can we go? How are the showrooms open? So let me tell you, this review is all the way from Bangalore. So let's start with this video and let's start with this review, because we are going to give you the first showroom review of the Volkswagen T-Roc in a video as well as some pictures. Let's start. First and foremost, special thanks to PPS Motors Nagwara Bangalore, who helped us in making this video. Now you must be wondering that how could we go to Bangalore, but yes, they specially went to the dockyard or the stockyard and they made a complete review of the car, which was very detailed, and we are going to cover the whole car in this, like the rear, the front, the side, the interior, the touchscreen, the virtual cockpit. Everything is covered in this video. So again, let me tell you, special thanks to Mr. Nagarjun Reddy, who helped us in making this video. I'm like taking the name of both. So the number, the address and the name of the showroom will be available in the description box below, and somewhere over here. Sorry, my cap went off. So yes, we are going to talk all about it in this video. So it's going to be very exciting and it's exclusive, because people have covered this car in the Auto Expo and in other places like in the foreign markets. But this is the first of the Indian spec Volkswagen T-Roc. So let's start with this video with all the features and functions. So finally, let's rock with the all-new Volkswagen T-Roc. Let me tell you, this car has been imported from Germany, which means it is built in Germany, it is made in Germany, and it is imported from there to India. So we cannot say it's an Indian spec version, but yes, there are only few changes in this car which will define it as an Indian spec version. Like there'll be new set of alloy wheels in this, which is there in some markets, but which was shown at Auto Expo. Those alloy wheels will not be coming. There's only a single variant, which is a SE variant. So let me tell you that overall the car looks nice, looks very elegant, and is plain, superb and elegant. That's what I would like to define it. And now let's start with the looks. So in the front, when we see, we get the standard Volkswagen front grille, we get a 2-chamber LED headlamp, then we get fog lamps, LED fog lamps, along with and surrounding it will be the LED DRLs. And let me tell you, overall from the front it looks very nice, and personally I like it. So from the front, most of the markets have the same look and design. Let me tell you that the Tiguan and the new T-Roc have kind of a similar look from the front, but yes, there are some changes which will differentiate it from the Tiguan. From the side, we get 17-inch Mayfield dual-tone alloy wheels, which I personally liked very much. From the side, as I told you, again the same thing, plain, superb and elegant. That's what is there to define this car. There are roof rails as well. Then let me tell you, there's a big window line with a chrome garnishing around it. There'll be no skid plates, not skid plates, I will say the basically something, the cladding, exactly, the plastic cladding which we get on the doors, that will be available. From the rear, again plain, elegant and superb, or plain, superb and elegant, and there are sleek LED tail lamps, and these are with these 3-4 lines around it which have this kind of like a shape like this. And apart from that, the Volkswagen logo is a 2-in-1 logo, which means it acts as a logo just to show that it's a Volkswagen vehicle. And also from the top, when you push it inside, it also reveals the boot. So the boot is also quite massive, but it's not as deep as you expect it to be because of the flat floor in it. Let me tell you, there'll be 17-inch normal wheels, there will not be alloy wheels as a spare tire. And moving on to the interior, we get an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and this is the 2.0 version. So this is a common trait between Skoda as well as Volkswagen. There will be a normal leather wrapped steering wheel. There will be a full virtual cockpit, just like we get in the Skoda Superb, the Skoda Kodiaq, the Skoda Karoq and many other cars. And apart from that, this is how the car will be. So this which we are showing is the orange color of the car. So let me tell you, on the bonnet, the white thing which you saw is just a kind of a covering, just to not reveal it till now. And the roof is also in complete covered in a white sheet, so it will not be white, it will be either in black or in the same body color. So this is how it is. So this was it in this video. If you like this video, do give this video a like. Also subscribe to our channel, and after subscribing, press the bell icon so that you never miss another update from AutoDNA. Let me tell you, you can also follow us on Instagram. Our Instagram handle is auto_d.n.a_official. So go there and follow us. And also we have a website which is www.autodna.org. And again, special thanks to PPS Motors, Nagwara, Bangalore, who sent us this video. Thank you very much for watching. This is Rishabh Rajesh signing off.